Okay, so this is our first flipped classroom video for the year. And what we're going to be looking at is Unit 1, Lesson 10. And in this unit, we're going to compare and order some numbers. So throughout the past couple weeks, we've been looking at numbers and how to use base 10 blocks to represent those numbers. And we looked at 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. But now we're going to compare and order them. And there's three things that we need to know when we compare and order these. And there's some symbols here. And here's where they are. So it's like a sideways V. Okay, and I want you to think of these two as an opening. Okay, and the opening will always face a bigger number, and the point here will always be towards a smaller number. And the same thing goes here. So the bigger number would be on this side, and the smaller number would be on this side. And of course, equal would mean both numbers are the same. One thing I like to say is think of an alligator. Okay, so the alligator always wants to eat the larger number. So in this case, the greater or less than sign is open to the 15 because we know 15 is greater than 12. Okay, and the point is facing the 12 because it's smaller than 15. But think of a hungry alligator always wanting to eat the bigger number, and that's where it will be opened. Okay, let's look at this question here. This will give you a better understanding of it. Using the digits 2, 5, and 6, and there's no particular order, we want to make the following statements true. Okay? And the first one is I want to use these digits and use this sign in the position that it is. Well, I know that the opening, it's a hungry alligator, so I know over here I want a big number. So I'm going to start off with the number 6, and I'm going to use the other two digits. So I'll use 625. And on this side, I want to make sure that my number is smaller than 625, but I have to use these digits, right? So I'm just going to go 256. This statement is now true. So using these digits, 2, 5, and 6, the hungry alligator is going to eat 625 rather than the 256. Okay? Now let's look at the other position here. I need to make sure that a hungry alligator wants to eat the larger number on this side. I'm still using these digits. I'm just going to mix up a bit. I'm going to use 5, 2, 6. Now I do need to make sure that my number on this side is much smaller than, or just even a little bit smaller than 5, 2, 6. So I'm going to go 2, 6, 5. So I switched up a little bit again. Okay, again, that hungry alligator is eating the large number of 526 and not the 265. Remember, think of that hungry alligator there. I think we have one more, well, an equal sign. Well, this is easy. You just have to make sure, no matter what digit you have, 2, 5, and 6, just make sure they're the same. So I'll use 562. 562, and this statement is true. 562 is the exact same and equal to 562. Okay, so this is basically our work for tomorrow. Take time tonight, watch this video a few times if you need to. Understand how the alligator works. He wants to eat the larger number. You're going to be doing questions such as this, where you'll be taking some digits and rearranging them to make some statements true. Okay, so that's it, and have a great evening.